Welcome to the onboarding journey of Eggup. We have created this series of video tutorials to guide you step by step in exploring our platform, making this experience simple and effective. Let's begin with an overview of the main chapters that make up our onboarding journey. In the first module, Platform Operation, we will introduce you to the main sections and functionalities of our system. This module is divided into several sections. In the Organization section, we will explore the overview of the organization, which will allow you to discover how to navigate the dashboard of your account. We will also learn how to edit your profile to customize your account's brand identity. In the Assessment section, we will guide you through an overview of the questionnaires available in your account, providing you with a guide to the available questionnaires. We will show you how to deliver a questionnaire and how to use Smart Coach, our self-development tool, to send personalized suggestions to your team. Additionally, we will learn how to deliver the image-based questionnaire portrait. Regarding the results, we will provide you with a comprehensive overview of how to analyze the results of the questionnaires, focusing on sorting and filters to optimize data visualization. We will see how to select and download results in CSV format, and how to generate detailed reports in both respondent and HR versions. Finally, we will explore some additional options, such as delivering a questionnaire via a link to easily invite participants, and how to set icons and logos in reports to further personalize your brand identity. In the second module, we will explore other types of assessments available on our platform. We will discuss the 360-degree assessment, which provides a comprehensive evaluation of skills, and the psychometric tests, which measure the logical abilities of your team. The third module is dedicated to our reports. We will guide you through the reports available on the platform, covering individual reports, HR reports, and team reports. Finally, in the fourth module, we will focus on skills mapping. We will guide you through the entire skills mapping process and show you how to use role profiles. We hope this onboarding journey provides you with all the necessary information to make the most of our platform. For further details and support, please don't hesitate to contact us directly. Let's start then.